Hi, I'm Hui from Pocket Yarnings, and today's is a very quick short tutorial about how to do color changes in foundation chains, which is useful for my subsequent garland tutorials, as you can see. And this is really very fast, and there are also a lot of other tutorials on color changes which I'll talk about later on. So let's just get started on this quick tutorial. Foundation chain color change. Start with a slip knot in gray. Get ready some new pink yarn. Place the pink yarn on the hook and keep the hook inside the grey slip knot. Draw the pink yarn through the grey loop on the hook. Keep the hook inside the pink loop. Get ready the grey yarn again. Yarn over the grey yarn and pull through the pink loop on the hook. Pull the ball end of the pink yarn to tighten the pink stitches. Pull out the pink yarn again. Draw the pink yarn through the grey loop. Pull on the trailing grey yarn to tighten the stitches. Continue switching back and forth grey and pink yarn and pull through the loop on the hook. Pull through the pink yarn again. Repeat the alternating process. Should start to see a chain forming with alternating pink and grey yarn. Remember to pull trailing grey and pink yarn to tighten the stitches along the way. Continue until the desired length of chain. Final foundation chain with alternating colors. Can also continue to single crochet down the chain in alternating colors as well. Hi, thank you for watching, and I hope that was useful. I have some other tutorials on how to do crochet color changes, which you can check out in the link description below, as well as there'll be a bundle of all my different garlands. If you want to go and check out all the different playlists for the playlist for all the different garlands that I've made, you can also check out more in the link description below. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and see you in the next video.